Hello guys, welcome to TVC Mall channel again. I'm Bill. The last time we have shown you the head office of TVC Mall, and you have seen our working environment and how we collaborate with each other. So if you like it, please follow our channel and we will bring more interesting content for you. Okay, let's back to the point. Many friends express that they wanted to know how we receive the goods from suppliers, how we start the first step when they place an order, how our quality inspection works, and how we deal with the details of labeling, packaging, delivery, etc. So today we will bring you to our TVC Mall warehouse located in Dongguan, Tangsha, and only half an hour away from China's largest electronic center, Huaqiang North, so that you guys can have a better understanding of our company's supply chain works. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! Alright, here we are. Here is our warehouse. You can see TVC Mall logo and our visions trade to world, enjoying quality life. As a cross-border mobile phone accessories wholesale company, transportation and warehousing are the two very important things. To strive for better prices and services for customers, we choose this place, which is not only cost-saving but also close to China's largest electronic market, Huaqiang North, about 40 kilometers away, so to reduce the time assumptions on transportations and fulfill your order more promptly. Now, where I'm standing is the receiving area. Every day, lots of goods are delivered from the factories here. Wait for the next step. There are two ways to receive the goods. First is to deliver the products here regularly every day from the station in Huaqiang North. Second is to send the products here by express delivery. I have to say it's a little heavy, and here is our sorting area. As you can see, we have many workbenches here which are responsible for different products, and let's give the products to our colleague. By scanning the barcode provided by the supplier, we can see on screen that there are some information about the supplier's name, SKU code, quantity, etc. According to this, the sorter will type out the labels of the goods and paste them on the goods. Each product will have a detailed label code to facilitate the identification of the source, quantity, brand, and the destination of the goods, which will be very convenient for the proofreading situation of the follow-up work. And this is one of the goods from our client John, who is in French. We can see from the label, it belongs to the A-road packing line. When we confirm the order, we will affix the confirmed labels to the goods of this order, and these labels will be assigned to their respective destinations according to the order. We can see the Chinese character Jian on the labels, which means inspection in English. We say QC check in general. It means this product will be sent to our quality control area for quality inspection. So let's go. The quality control area is set up on the first floor of our warehouse. So bro, can you help me check this one? Before the inspection, we will still scan the code to confirm what channel the goods belong to. Classify them for special inspection. we will conduct quantity inspection links, including charging tests to test whether it can be charged normally, Bluetooth test to test whether it can be connected to the mobile phone, and waterproof test, etc. All adopt the quantity control with international AQL method, and we give a full inspection below 50 pieces in quantity. Random inspection 30 pieces out of 51 to 90 pieces. Random inspection 20 pieces out of 91 to 150 pieces. 32 pieces out of 151 to 280 pieces. 50 pieces out of 281 to 500 pieces. 80 pieces out of 501 to 1,200 pieces, and 125 pieces out of 1,201 to 3,200 pieces. When the quantity inspection process is completed, we will label the goods with qualified inspection labels, make a product identification indicating which rows the goods belong to, so that the qualified good will embark on its journey again. Here is an unqualified product. Just like this, we will affix on the unqualified label on it, the red one, and noting the reason why, and send it back to our manufacturer. Alright, here is our spare part area, where we arrange the packaging of replacement parts separately from the other products, cause the spread parts are more fragile and high valued. Here you can see each order of the parts will be firstly packed into a small box to keep them safer, and then take photos for the record. Last, to arrange the shipping together with other products. It finally enters the overall packing process. Before packing the goods, we have to scan the serial number, case number, and sorting labels. Then we can see the total quantity of the order. Why we do that is to make sure these goods are belong to the same customer. All the goods on your order will be loaded into the box together and then sent to their respective waiting areas. According to the delivery channel, we will take out the boxes with all the goods, put them back into the box, and arrange them in an orderly manner to save space. And here is our value-added service area. According to our customers' requirements, we will replace the package and label the goods as needed before shipment, and the label content can be also customized by our customers. Or they can refer to our template, just like this one. As you can see, the SKU numbers and some information on it. And here is the SKU numbers and the logo arrows here. And when you receive the goods, you will save a lot of time and can save labor cost of repackaging, and let you focus on the sales link better. In addition to labeling and packaging, our overvalue service also includes factory manufacturing, OEM or ODM customer orders. We can customize documentary production according to your needs, professional design, including store design, product packaging, commercial pictures, etc. So if you're in need, please contact us at any time. You guys must be wondering what our second floor has, so let's move. In fact, we have a lot of stocks here, and not all of the goods are received from the suppliers in real time. storage is controlled in real time by our sales team planning for the future sales and adjustment to company operating policies. Each SKU has its own separate storage location. After our customer places an order, we will pick up the goods according to the inventory status. You can quickly find the locations of the goods by using this code gun. Hey, look, can you give an introduction about warehouse?
大家好，我是 Luke。仓库的话，现有面积大约是16000平，在库的操作人员是90人，然后在库的 SKU 大约是2.6万个，日吞吐量的话是45万 piece。库内操作时效在2天以内。DMS 信息采集系统搭载 WMS 仓储管理系统，可以确保我们作业准确率在99.99%以上。您的订单可以很放心的交付给我们。
Thank you, Luke. Well, let him do his work. So let's go to the next part. Well, the next part is measuring part. And at the meantime, you can see we will print out the delivery sheet. Of course, we still use our code scanner. As long as the box is placed on it, the corresponding weight will be displayed and recorded in the system, which is very efficient and fast. By the way, here is our FBA operating area. FBA Fulfillment by Amazon is a service provided by Amazon that provides storage, packaging, and shipping assistance to sellers. Now they are preparing shipping for FBA. But sometimes you can see there are a lot of goods here in the waiting area. That's because our customers placed a very large order, are waiting to be arranged by the sea or other shipping channels. Other reason is that some are multiple orders from customer, and the orders will be arranged together and then shipped after being set. By the way, small batch, multi-variety, and fast collection are the advantages of our company. So, welcome to chat with us. Normally, when the goods are packaged and sorted, we will contact our logistics company and deliver the goods. Well, thank you guys for watching TVC Mall warehouse touring video. And if you like, please like, comment, follow up, or subscribe below. And if you have any questions about our warehouse platform, we will answer you in detail. And thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.